JC?
The experiment is not working, Dewey. We'll have to travel across the planet and bring back those moon rocks. That's the only way.
But the pit from which we can get the moon rocks is 25,000 kilometers away.
Yes, we need to hurry. It'll be a long journey.
Alright then, we leave tomorrow morning. Good night, JC. Sleep well tonight. JC, I thought you said that you wanted an early start. Why have we come to this cafe?
Oh, come on, Dewey. You know me, I never start a mission without having a big breakfast first. And you should also do the same.
Now that I agree with. Come on, let's order. Hey, I've heard that Jupiter burgers are great. Biggest burgers ever. Oh, and I quite fancy a cake right now.
Great! And why don't we get an Apollo shake each?
And let's share a Stardust sundae once we are finished.
Cool! Let's order then. I'm hungry.
Ah, that was a good meal. Let's pay and set off.
Okay, but this is my treat.
Thanks, JC. But how much do we need to pay, JC? We ate so much.
Wait, let me calculate. To find out how much we need to pay, all I need to do is add the prices of all the food items we just ordered.
Okay.
So let's see. We ordered 2 Jupiter burgers for rupees 40, 2 cosmic cakes for rupees 40, 2 Apollo shakes for rupees 50, and 1 Stardust sundae for rupees 30.
Cool. Let's add them. 40 plus 40 plus 50 plus 30 gives us rupees 160. We need to pay rupees 160, JC.
Great! Let's pay and get going. Time for a break, Dewey. Why don't we stop and rest for a while? I think we've done well so far. How far have we traveled?
Let's see. Here we go.
17,000 kilometers. Not bad for a day's work. I say we rest.
JC, are you there?
Yes. What's the matter?
JC, you need to hurry. I just found out that CJ is also out to get the moon rocks. You must get to the pit before he does. You must.
CJ.
JC, what's the matter? Why do you look so worried? And who is CJ?
CJ is my arch rival, Dewey. Looks like he's found out about our experiment and he's trying to stop us from finishing it. We cannot let him get there before us. We cannot.
Let's get going then. We've already covered 17,000 kilometers. How much farther do we have to go?
Oh, come on. Dewey, you know this. When we started, we were 25,000 kilometers away from the pit.
Yeah, so?
And now we have covered 17,000 kilometers out of these 25,000 kilometers. So, to find out the remaining distance, all we need to do is subtract the distance covered so far from the total distance.
Subtraction, of course. Why didn't I think of it myself? Okay, so 17,000 subtracted from 25,000 gives us 8,000. We have 8,000 kilometers to go, JC.
No rest for us tonight. Let's double our speed and move on.
Let's go! Oh no! JC! JC! We have a problem!
What's the matter, Dewey? Uh-oh. Fuel's running low. What do we do now? Isn't there a fuel station on this part of the planet?
No! The nearest one is at the pit where we are headed.
But what if our fuel runs out before we reach there?
That's what! Wait, let me see how much fuel we have left. Come on, JC. Let's calculate how much fuel we'll use up in the next 347 minutes.
And how would we do that?
We know we're using 4 liters fuel every minute. So to find out how much fuel we need to reach our destination, that is, for the next 347 minutes, we need to multiply 347 by 4.
Hey, Dewey, that was great. So 347 multiplied by 4 gives us 1,388 liters.
1,388 liters. Oh, thank goodness. That means we have enough fuel.
Let's get going then. Well, here we are. Looks like CJ hasn't arrived yet. Come on, Dewey. Let's bring out the laser drill, extract the moon rocks, and get out. How much longer before we can start, Dewey? We need to finish this before CJ gets here. I don't want to fail, now that we have come this far.
Don't worry, JC. We'll start in a minute. So how deep do we have to dig?
According to my calculations, we should find the moon rocks if we dig 10,000 meters.
And this drill can dig 250 meters in 1 minute. So, how much time do we have before we can extract the moon rocks?
Let me see. To find out how much time it'll take us to dig 10,000 meters, all we need to do is divide 10,000 meters with the distance the drill can dig in 1 minute. 10,000 divided by 250 gives 40. It will take us at least 40 minutes to extract the moon rocks. Start drilling, Dewey, and let's hope CJ doesn't show up in the next 50 minutes.
Okay, keep your helmet on.
We did it, Dewey! We did it!
Oh, look! There comes CJ.
He's late, Dewey. We got the moon rocks first.
Yeah, we got them.
There's nothing like a hearty meal at the end of a successful mission.
I agree, JC.
Did you enjoy hearing my story and finding out how to solve word problems? Here are a few tips for you. Word problems are exactly like stories. So when you read the problem, ignore the numbers first and focus only on the story. Here's another trick which may help. When you read a word problem, underline important words and numbers. These are the clues that will help you solve the word problem. Look for words which will help you to figure out if you need to add, subtract, multiply or divide to solve the word problem.